Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things personal finance. Today we're going to be reviewing the Apple Card and answering the question, is it still worth it in 2023? First, let's talk about the basics of the Apple Card. It's a credit card that's designed to work seamlessly with your Apple devices. You can apply for the card through the Wallet app on your iPhone, and once approved, you can start using it right away. One of the biggest selling points of the Apple Card is its cashback rewards program. You can earn 3% cashback on purchases made directly with Apple, 2% cashback on purchases made with Apple Pay, and 1% cashback on purchases made with the physical card. But is the Apple Card still worth it in 2023? Well, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons. Pros. First of all, the cashback rewards program is still one of the best in the industry. If you're someone who frequently makes purchases with Apple or uses Apple Pay, you can really rack up the rewards. Another pro is the card's security features. The Apple Card uses advanced security technology to protect your information and prevent fraud. Plus, you can easily freeze your card if you lose it or suspect fraudulent activity. Cons. One of the biggest cons of the Apple Card is its APR. While it's not the highest on the market, it's still relatively high compared to other credit cards. If you carry a balance on your card, you could end up paying a lot in interest charges. Another con is the limited acceptance of the card. While it's becoming more widely accepted, there are still some places that don't take it. If you're someone who frequently travels or shops at smaller retailers, this could be a drawback. Conclusion. So, is the Apple Card still worth it in 2023? Overall, we would say yes, if you're someone who frequently makes purchases with Apple or uses Apple Pay. The cashback rewards program is still one of the best in the industry, and the card's security features are top-notch. However, if you're someone who carries a balance on your card or frequently shops at smaller retailers, you may want to consider other options. That's it for our review of the Apple Card. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.